Ah, hello everybody, my name is Freddy Killer. We're here playing Ark Survival Evolved. Hey guys, how's it going? I'm playing today here with EV Killer. He's right here. There he is. So, yeah guys, I'm sorry that I haven't... What?
Tell me how well this is.
Oh yeah, this world, if you can see, everything is different. Like, everything is different. Of course it's the same map and everything, but different server. This is EV Killer server. We're using admin commands in this um, server. So yeah, we're building like right now. We're building a lot of stuff. We're building the base right now. That's the loadout area, and here's the area of the base. So yeah, we're building a lot of stuff. We're working hard. This is a work in progress. But yeah, guys.
Okay. Get in your seat on this guy.
So yeah, guys. In this world, we use admin commands only. Admin commands. So that's different. Something different from what we do and everything. But yeah. And guys, oh, I want to tell you something. Oh wait. Oh wait. Oh there. That's so nice sitting in here. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button to show your support. Haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna leave a link down there so you can subscribe to EV Killer's channel. So yeah guys, and
Okay, I didn't know about that, but okay then.
the what?
The channel.
The channel. So yeah guys, and guys, I wanted to say I'm really sorry for not
Here, you fly this
record.
way. I'll go over here.
I'm really sorry for not recording
wait,
video.
oh wait, you can't force tame these guys. I forgot.
So
Oh, you can.
you can. Who said not? Really, guys, I wanna be sorry for not uploading videos for you guys. I'm really sorry. Like, I had a test today, so I didn't record yesterday, and on Sunday I wasn't. I'm like really honest. I wasn't kind of like feeling it to record. I was really tired that day, so I didn't record
Times
for
to
you
slap
guys.
people.
I know. I'm really sorry, guys. Like that was like a mean thing to do. I'm really sorry for not uploading videos, but you know, I'm gonna try to get back on track and everything. But yeah,
Yeah,
guys.
you're flying this guy.
Yeah, riding this guy.
Wait, maybe we can. Let me find another one.
Wait, you
Found
should
another one.
do the level thingy, so I can be able to move this guy so slow. So yeah,
Well, both
guys.
of us are gonna be using this guy, so we're just gonna pump this guy up to 200 speed.
All right.
Then it's all gonna go into weight and health or melee damage, whatever.
It's better move at speed and stamina and weight. Only those three stuff. Like we don't need other stuff. Holy crappo.
I think it's
I need food. So yeah guys, I'm really sorry for that.
how do you spell experience?
But I will try my best to keep up with videos and everything. But you know, school, thank God is almost over. So yeah. School is almost over. So when it's over, you know, there's gonna be videos every single day, non-stop. Like I would try summer I would try like non-stop. That movie's cool. But yeah, and obviously we're gonna record with EV Killer. That's of course that's a yes. Recording with Evie. So yeah guys, and I got a big update. I dyed my hair red. Really red. I think tomorrow you're gonna see it on the blog. So yeah guys, it's red. Like YouTube. So it's gonna be awesome guys. Holy crap!
I did this right.
Oh, I thought you did that. I know I see that. Oh, the mess. Well yeah guys. And the Bean Boozle challenge, I still need to buy the Bean Boozle. the
Go kill
beans.
stuff around here. Don't kill any Broncos, but just go kill stuff around here.
I'm not gonna kill nothing. I'm okay.
Oh, yeah, you can kill stuff.
I have the Quetzal, you know that I can kill stuff. But yeah, guys.
That's my
Oh,
muscle.
I know that's your Quetzal. Don't tell me.
Okay.
Oh my God, are you gonna kill me? Oh wait, the Quetzal I think got the levels or something. Oh there. So yeah, everything on these animals are like really.
I heard you say something about you didn't kill me.
What?
Okay, what did you do? Oh no.
Wait. So yeah, guys, this is kind of like a admin command server
Wait, I
only.
didn't pump this guy's speed to 751.
The what? Which guy?
This guy's. I wonder if he got it over.
That was me.
Okay, I hit you so bad.
Yeah, I only pump this guy's speed. So, well, you need to see my guy, guys. You need to see my guy. So it's really crazy, but yeah, guys, and so I was saying the Bean Bozo channel is, I don't know, I need to buy the Bean Bozo, and then I had to bring my friends to my home, and so we can start that challenge and record it for you guys. But it's gonna be soon. It's not. I'm gonna probably. I just need to go and buy the Bean Bozo and blah, 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 blah. Tell my friends that to come to my home and everything. So yeah, but that's gonna be soon, and. Of course, there's gonna be new series coming for the channel. There's gonna be Call of Duty Advanced Warfare. There's gonna be zombies, Advanced Warfare Zombie, Exo Zombies, multiplayer.
Nobody watches anymore, you know.
What?
Nobody ever watches Advanced Warfare anymore.
I know, but I like that game. Peeps, you might like it. You need to like Advanced Warfare.
Nobody
So
even plays it anymore too.
I play it. It's awesome.
Well, besides you and a couple other people.
But yeah, guys, and there's gonna be another series coming up for the channel. It's called The Division Tom Clancy with Evie Killer. Oh crap.
Well, we could just die after this episode. Oh my god, dude. You scared the crap out of me. I thought you killed a Bronto.
No, I didn't kill nothing. Right now I'm getting like a lot of
You
resources.
just killed a Pteranodon.
I got a lot of resources. I'm telling you that. Holy crap-o. Oh my god, he have a lot of resources. Did you turn on the resources stuff?
What?
The resources, like, still getting a lot of resources. Crap. Did you just log off or something? Did you just log off or something? Because the game froze? No. Hold on, I'm gonna drop all
What are you
items.
talking about, yo?
Drop all items. Alright guys, they might like lag the game, so just wait patiently. There it is. Wait for it. So there it is. Yeah, it's kind of like a crazy stuff with this server. What are you doing, Evie?
Trying to figure out what to do.
There, pump that weight.
Wait.
Pump that weight. Oh god. I see you here. Oh, sorry guys. Oh. 22. Alright. Level 4. And now it's level 22. Guys, I'm gonna pause the video right here because, oh wait. I'm sorry for this. It's kind of like, I'm sorry for that. Like, we're Skyping. So, because, the last video we told you that the S-Buck, you cannot hear it from the TV, like, when I record videos with my brother. So, We Skype. We skip. We skip here. We use a lot of skip here to talk. What's up, BB? How you doing?
One sec. I am actually struggling here.
Yeah, he struggles a lot. That's why.
Shut up. Okay, I accidentally put in the wrong command.
Oh, I know that. You know I knew about that.
You know what? You didn't know about it. God dang it.
I knew about that you had the wrong command.
Bronto.
There's a Bronto, level 22, Bronto. Bronto.
Oh shoot! I just locked my game.
Did you just lag your game? Lag it. Stop lagging it. Lag it like a boss.
Okay, but it did nothing to scare me.
The heck you mean, boy? Must be. Did you just add it? Ah, that's why you forgot the X. Added experience. And you said experience.
Oh my god. Let's go.
Guys, don't judge nobody, please. But you can laugh at him in the comments below.
So let's get 200 speed and let's pump.
Oh, come on. Wait, I wanna do the leveling stuff. I'm gonna do the leveling stuff right here. I think it's better 300 move speed. There. 300 move speed. Oh, crapple!
Oh my god.
Do that again. We need to do a stamina. We need to do stamina. Do that again.
I have infinite stamina on this.
Infinite stamina?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Crap.
What
the heck happened? Everything is kind of like paused.
Oh
Wait.
my god.
Did you just lag the game?
I probably accidentally, but okay.
He lagged the game,
Double
guys.
items. Oh, I like the game again.
I see. I'm trying to get my gun out, and I can't. Oh,
I kind of dropped everything.
Oh, there.
Oh, shit, that was a lot. Okay, now get on.
Die.
Let's get this guy back.
What the crap? Oh my god, we got the strongest level 8 male pteranodon. I'm shooting at it, and he doesn't kill it. Alright.
I might have broke my game, but
I think you did.
I froze my game.
I think you did, because right now I cannot shoot or anything. I keep reloading and stuff. Alright, that chat box, can you please go away? You're bothering my stuff. Oh, what the crap?
I seriously broke my...
Oh, there.
Nope, okay, we're good. Okay.
There, it died.
Get on the quest. Oh god. Get
All
on
right.
the quest.
Alright, I'm getting on your quest. I'm getting on your quest. Please don't hit nothing. Please don't do it. Oh, look at that, guys. I can't even like walk this quest. I can like walk it to the base with no problem, no
Dude,
flying.
So fast.
The Bronto? I know, we need it fast. Like, look at that. Look at that. I can't even win you in a race with a quest.
Okay, dude, you level
Oh,
up.
Alpha Raptor. Alpha
Yeah,
Raptor.
can you kill him?
He's right here. Hey, Alpha. What the crap? I cannot see nothing. Come on, get out of here. Oh, whoa. Getting lagged. Oh, whoa. Come on, move. Oh, alright. Did I just kill the Alpha? Oh, we killed the Alpha Raptor in just one hit. That's awesome,
Oh my god, dude, the lag is real. Okay.
Tell me about it. I'm
Go.
trying to be normal. Alright, I think these
There's another
two...
raptor.
Another Alpha Raptor?
No, there's like another raptor.
Something's hitting me. Leave me alone.
Here we go.
You swimming? Swim!
Are you serious? Like, This guy does not know how to swim. Honestly.
He's not swimming. I see him walking.
Now he's walking. Or he's not walking, he's...
And just in
Okay,
case
maybe,
this...
maybe we need more movement speed for this guy.
Oh, alright. I see somebody that wants movement speed.
What? This guy's like really slow. Oh, wait, we can't level this guy up anymore.
Alright. Level him up before I do it. I'm just kidding. I cannot do it.
Okay, so we just upload the video.
Alright, let's go. Alright. The tail. It looks so funny, the tail. Look at that tail moving.
Well, I can't wait for like the mods to come in.
Ah, me too. I cannot wait for that.
A modded series. It's gonna be awesome.
I know we're gonna start a modded series, so we're gonna have both series, like the normal Ark series in the vanilla.
Wait for the lag.
I know we're gonna have the modded series and
Oh, there's lag.
we're gonna have the modded series and the regular vanilla series. So yeah, guys, it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna have both series.
Well, I don't know if I want to do that because you have to erase the files.
Who?
Well, this boss. Well, then if we erase the files, then that means that. One sec, let me clear this out. That we're basically risking losing the world. So we have to do one series at a time.
I know. Wait, is the game locked up or something? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god. What you doing, Evie? What are you even doing? Like, I can move around, but still, I cannot get off the quest or level the quest up. Can go to his inventory and everything.
Don't level my quests up.
Why not? Oh, my quest. Where's
What are
my
you doing?
quest? There's my quest. You need to see my guy's movement speed. It's crazy.
Oh. It's my movement. See what happens.
Wait for it. Wait for it. I just pumped you guys' health. Oh, there.
I'm still frozen.
You still stuck?
Yeah.
Can I just shake this guy? No. Oh my god.
And still frozen.
Just wait for it. I can still move and everything, but yeah.
Still frozen.
Whoa. It's kind of like loading or something for you. Oh, what did you just did? Did you hit all those trees or something?
Not all of them, but hey, most of them.
Oh, that's why.
Still loaded.
Oh, whoa.
And-
There.
Okay, that didn't do crap.
There. Look at that guy. It has like 1,039 movement speed. That's my quest. This is my quest.
There we go again.
Hey, look at that. Please stop hitting trees. I beg you. Stop hitting trees.
Just give it another 30 minutes. I'll be unfrozen.
30 minutes. So funny. He got the industrial grill right now open. What the crap? What you cooking up? What you cooking? You got meat in here or something?
No.
Oh crap! You keep lagging the game. Stop lagging the game.
I can't even move right now.
Yeah. Stop hitting trees. I'm begging you, please. Whoa. Alright, we're back here. Can I do something? Yeah, I can do stuff.
I'm allowed to game one more time.
Oh! Alright guys, don't hate me. And no Eevee Killer. Don't hate them. None of us. Oh, whoa, whoa, oh, there it goes. You got meat. You're a liar. You got meat in here. I saw meat cooking up. Cooking up.
I had it cooking up just whenever you joined.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, calm down there, guy. Calm down. Hold your horses. Oh, alright. Alright, let's... Oh, crap.
Okay,
Look at that guy.
One more lag spike real quick, because we gotta get rid of these trees.
Alright. Prepare for the lag, boys. Pew. Well, that's no lag. No lag problem there.
Oh, I have lag.
Oh, where? Oh, well. I like how they, like, you see the feet goes up when you, like, swing the tail or something.
Dude, I hate how they nerfed the Bronto now. Like, you know how it used to clear out, like, a lot of trees?
Yeah.
It only clears out one now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Crap. Alright. While he's doing that, I'm gonna try to build some stuff, but I really am not gonna build because he knows how the base is gonna be. I got some ideas, like this area right here is gonna be a good area. This area right here is almost finished because this is our loadout area. Oh crap. Lag. Hey lag. This got kinda like our loadout area, so we come here with the quet. Oh crap.
Still lagging, and one more lag.
Alright, one more lag. Staying still. Stand still, guys. Nobody moves. Having trouble here.
Okay, we're done.
Alright. Yeah. Look at that, Bronto. I'm so funny.
Oh, okay, one more lag.
One more lag? Oh, the tree? No. Wait, yeah. Do it. Because I was thinking about me punching it,
but...
but...
hit the tree.
Oh, Evie. I'm
I hit
freezing.
all the plants instead. Oh, I hit the tree.
Alright, I need to move this meat to my area. The A there. I need that because I'm getting used to it. So...
Ah! Here, I'm gonna finish placing these real quick. Just to play... Here, but give me the foundations. God.
I got only 8 foundations.
Here, never mind. Just keep those and hack and spawn more.
Here using the admin commands. I'm coming right here. I'm gonna check if we probably have some. Probably not, but you know, just in case. We don't have nothing there. Nothing there. That's scuba. Scuba stuff. Nothing here.
Take the scuba stuff because we're gonna be going to water soon.
Alright. Take that soon.
There will be a water episode.
Water episode is coming soon to Freddy Killer channel.
Okay, you do that pretty well.
I need to move your quet. It's kind of like in the middle. There.
I wonder if everybody knows where the herbivore island is.
I think they know. Like they can see.
Herbivore island too. However,
Oh yeah, guys. Talking about Herbivore Island, I think over there we're gonna like do another base. This gonna be like our north. Yeah, north.
north.
North base, and we're gonna have the south base. Alright guys, I wanna show you my quet. How fast
I
it
hate
moves.
how you keep repeating stuff. I know the crap out of me.
Look at that. I can't look at that how fast it goes, my quet.
Shut up!
Woom. That's good. And look at that, how it flies, like that's fast, like really fast. I go here, oh, we can't go any more farther. Look at that. Stopping, still moving, like really fast, and like this is regular speed. regular
I'm
speed.
looking for the greenhouse stuff. It just doesn't look like I can find it.
I can.
Oh,
I think I can tell you what number they are. Oh well, I can't. Forgot that. Had that on my phone. Oh well.
oh, found it.
Found them. Got them. Found them.
Okay, whoa, that is scary.
Don't get scared. Yeah.
What the crap?
Alright, I think I'm gonna learn this. Oh shoot. Simple rifle ammo.
So, there's no foundation for the greenhouse. So.
I know that. But they should make a mod. Like a glass mod. Alright, you should give me the greenhouse thingy. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. I'm so excited. So hype. I'm so excited for the base. Our base. Like, this is gonna be an awesome base. Our base.
Why might actually change all the walls just to greenhouse?
Oh, with the all made of glasses. Oh, that's gonna be cool. But we should
I can make
finish.
it riot armor.
Riot armor? Ah, we like riot armor. Well, no. Well, probably. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Should I have the riot
Riot armor is the best.
armor or this regular armor? What should I have?
Okay, I'm gonna give you 200. These are walls.
Oh, well, that
What
guy's
the
running.
crap?
Oh, Sabertooth. That's why. I'm gonna kill it. Sabertooth is gonna die today.
Here, and I will give you your foundation.
There, die, Sabertooth. You're giving me problems right here. I cannot get concentrated in this area because of your fault. Now.
Well, we need to put up the gate, like the big ginormous.
I know those, the Mohibach.
Okay, where did you get Hamega?
Mohibach. Whatever. Mohibach gate. Mohibach. Oh god. Alright. Look at Evie. Look at this guy.
Let's see the 172.
Look at that. I'm taller. I'm so happy.
Okay, we're gonna extend this 1, 2, 3.
Oh crap! Oh, don't want that. Do. Where's Freddy Killer? Oh crap! I put this right there.
Okay.
What?
Expand this out to 9 over here.
9.
I'm gonna expand. Here, I'm gonna give you this. Yeah, expand this out to 9 and make this as long, like until.
Wait.
Like right here.
Wait, what are you saying? This area right here? You know, right here.
Make it out until 9.
So 6, 7,
8,
9. All right, now go.
Okay, now expand this out to like.
Stand when you want
Here.
to be over with that.
Okay.
All right, we are building, guys. Going some original buildings. And guys, tomorrow probably we're gonna record on my world because I know I need to get GTA for the Xbox One. Get out of the way.
Yes. Okay. Now expand this out to like right here.
I need GTA so I can I can be able to play with.
Why does it look like this? This looks so wrong.
So wrong.
What the? I feel like we built this base like sideways.
Oh, crapo! Why are you doing this?
Wait, stop building real quick. Stop it real quick.
Oh, you need to stand that one for 9, like 9 more. Like, it's 6. 6,
Okay, maybe I need to expand these out real quick.
7,
because
8,
God.
9. There. No. What you doing, boy?
No, because this is gonna interfere with
No. That's okay. I'm telling you, that's okay. Alright,
I gotta replace this anyway, so.
I'm getting angry with these foundations right now.
Well, you gotta be careful with these foundations.
Why? They're so expensive?
No, I can always spawn them back in, but
Alright, I think you need to break this one out. I'm gonna break it. Demolish that. Demolish that one. Alright.
what the heck?
Yeah,
I didn't give you permission to do that.
But alright, do you want to the foundation to to touch the Mohiba gate? Well, whatever it is.
I mean, like, if it's required to.
It was required, so don't fight over that. Please.
What the crap? This is so bull crap.
What are you talking about? Oh, there.
Is this good? Is this good? Is this good?
Wait, let me see. Good.
What was that?
I said good. You know what good is? Good is some
Yes.
stuff that you good. You are good at doing stuff.
Okay, if there's one country you could take over, what country would that be?
Oh, country. Oh.
Yeah,
oh.
fill all this in, and yeah, tell me what country you would like to take over.
If I can take over a country, it'd probably be. Oh God, United States probably. Or
What, don't you live in the United States?
no.
You don't?
Wait, what?
I said, don't you live in the United States?
Yeah, I do.
Wait, why would you take...
I don't know. I like the U.S.
Well, actually, it makes sense, because if you took over the United States, you have, like, the best military.
But U.S. is awesome.
No offense to U.S. Military that's watching this.
Oh yeah.
We have no hate against you.
Yeah,
Maybe.
we're not. We love you guys. Fighting for our country. I got too serious there, like. Please don't.
Here, I'm gonna finish this real quick while you do this.
Alright, let me
Actually,
put
no.
more foundations.
I can finish this later. What the crap is this?
What crapo?
I had too much metal.
Me too. I
Yeah,
have a
you're
metal.
getting too much metal. It's like insane.
No, the problem is that I have a metal problem.
But you ran out of. I gave 400 metal foundations.
What the crap? What are you fighting for? I'm